So guys, naata sa ato ang dire may lagi ni mataga ka consultant guys. Natag Fritz guys. Moagi na punta sa Paris. Paris lagi dai. Nyag na ata sa di ra atong Synergy Kinetic. Yung mga building sa downtown guys. Sa ato ang lungsod, sa ato ang city. Is Timoleon close? It's look like they close, right? Timoleon.
Oh yeah.
Oh, the Yellow Bell Cafe. We miss the Yellow Bell Cafe, guys. Pero diyan na ang Margarita ni Chuan. Hi, Chuan. Chuan, guys. Colonial. What's movie today, guys? And of course, our giant shoes. Giant shoes. Where is the giant shoes? Nipangi shoes guys. Letter A. Nipangi. Athens. Balik na Athens guys. Mag-shopping sa Papas Contraction. There is something there in their menu that I would like. Here's our church guys. Papataka-visit sa ato ang church St. Bernard. St. Bernard Church. I just missed that one. That's where we're going, guys. We're driving. Here's the White House, guys. Never mind the White House. It's here. Clouds. Is that na rin today? Guys, bagas clouds, guys. Clouds across the sky. It's changing from before our very eyes. Saan na nga kanta, guys? Look like a house. The pub. 10 years. But they're not interested with that. Island. We're in the island, guys. They're working on it. So terrific. It's so terrific. Ano maning ako ang pilang gas, guys. Sunuko gas. Mahal yung gas sunuko, guys.